Hi students, today I am going to explain you one important chapter that is perimeter and area, which is in class 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and onwards. Most important chapter and easy also, but for that you have to know some formulas, then only you can able to do it. Okay, first say what is perimeter. Suppose there is one figure like this, then perimeter means just you are starting from here, go there, then add it, then add it, then again add it, then again add this one also. That means from where you start, there you have to end. Suppose here this one is 2 centimeter or 2 meter, here this is 3 meter, this one is also suppose 3 meter, and this one is 2 meter, and this one is 1 meter. Then perimeter of this figure will be 1 meter plus 2 meter plus 3 meter plus 3 meter plus then this 2 meter. Then add it 1, 2, 3, 3, 3, 6, 6, 3, 9 and 11. Perimeter of this figure will be 11 meters. Okay? Like this way we can able to find perimeter. Now say some special figures are there for those figures who did not have to add like this way. Simply we can use the formulas. For that, first one is this one is one of the equilateral triangle. Then perimeter of equilateral triangle, is equal 3 into side. Okay? Suppose side is given 4 centimeter, then just you can write perimeter side is equal 4 centimeter. Therefore, perimeter of equilateral triangle is equal 3 into side, 3 into 4. Suppose centimeter is there, then perimeter of this triangle will be 12 centimeter. Okay? This is one of the special figure that is called what? Equilateral triangle, where all sides are equal. Okay? Now go to one more special figure that is called rectangle. Okay? Then rectangle means this is one of the parallelogram where all angles are equal to 90 degrees. This type of figures are called rectangle. Here two things will be there. This one will be their length. From here to here, suppose this one is given 5, that means length is 5, and this one is breadth, suppose breadth is given 2. Okay? Then perimeter of rectangle is equal 2 whole into L plus B. Okay? If this one is 5, then this one is also 5. If this one is 2, then this one is also 2. Then if you add it 2 plus 5, 7, 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 5, 14. Perimeter will be how much? 14. Like this way, if you add it. But if you put here 2 whole into, in place of length there is 5, put 5, plus in place of breadth there is 2, put 2, then is equal 2 into 5 plus 2 is equal 7. Then your perimeter of this rectangle will be 14. If here centimeter is there, then put here centimeter. Okay? This is the formula for finding perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle is equal 2 whole into length plus breadth. Okay? Then one more figure is there. One more special figure, that is square. Square means all sides are equal. All sides are equal. Perimeter of square is equal 4 into side. Okay? If here side is given, suppose side of this one is suppose 3 centimeter, then perimeter of square is equal 4 into side is equal 3 centimeter. 3 centimeter is equal 4 is 12 centimeter. Okay? Now say this one is formula for finding perimeter of rectangle. Okay? Now, somewhere you may got perimeter will be given and one of the side will be given. Somewhere, suppose here perimeter, this side is not given. This breadth is not given and perimeter is given. Perimeter is equal. Suppose here we are getting 14. No, perimeter is given 14 centimeter and length is 5 centimeter. Length is 5 centimeter. Then you have to find the breadth. Breadth to keneke uliam ame breadth to uliabo karone ki formula use korim so राख कोइ लसु सेम एतु निसिनाके करि म एकटा कोइ लसु बा कितु मुसा नाय अपना here length is given, perimeter is given and breadth we have to find. How will you find it? First we have to write perimeter of rectangle is equal how much? 14 centimeter. This is given. Then in place of perimeter of rectangle, just write the formula. 2 whole into L plus B is equal 14 centimeter. Eku karone ami just ki korisu perimeter of rectangle jaga perimeter of rectangle formula to bahai disu. Now this 2 is multiplied here. When this 2 will go on that side, it will become divide. Now L plus B is equal 14 centimeter divided by 2. This 2 is multiplied. When this one go on that side, it will divide. Everyone know. Then, if you cut it, 2 ones are 2, 2 sevens are 14. Now we are getting L plus B is equal to how much? 7 centimeter. Now, we know the value of L. L is equal here 5 meter plus breadth. We did not know breadth is equal 7 centimeter. Now we are getting breadth is equal 7 centimeter minus, when this 5 centimeter go on that side, it will become minus. Now we are getting breadth is equal 7 centimeter minus 5 centimeter is equal 2 centimeter. Okay? Like this way, if perimeter is given and length or breadth is given, then we can easily able to find which one is not given. Okay? Now, go to area. Now, perimeter, I think everyone understand. Here also, if perimeter is given, suppose here perimeter is given 12. For this figure, perimeter is given 12. Now you have to find the side. The perimeter of square is given 12 centimeter. Then in place of perimeter of square, just put the formula 4 into side. 4 into side is equal 12 centimeter. Then side is equal 12 divided by 4 centimeter. If you cut it, then you will got 3 centimeter. Side is equal 3 centimeter. Okay? Like this way, I think everyone can do. Now go to area. This is rectangle. Most important and easiest one also. Area of rectangle. Area of rectangle is equal L into B. Area of rectangle is equal length into breadth. Suppose here length is given 5 centimeter, breadth is given 2 centimeter. Then area of rectangle will be 5 into 2. Here 5 centimeter into 2 centimeter. It will become 5 to the 10 and centimeter become centimeter square. Always remember this thing. When you are going to find area, there should be square unit. What unit is there? Suppose meter will be there. When you are finding area, then it will become meter square. Remember this thing. Suppose here also area of rectangle is given. Area of rectangle is suppose given there. Area of rectangle is equal 10 centimeter square. Then length is given 5 centimeter, but breadth is not given. You have to find the breadth. Then how will you do it? Area of rectangle is equal 10 centimeter. Then area of rectangle in place of area of rectangle we can write length into breadth is equal 10 centimeter square. Now we know length is equal 5 centimeter. into breadth we did not know. Breadth is equal 10 centimeter square. Then breadth is equal 10 centimeter square divided by 5 centimeter. This centimeter will cut this square. Then 5 on the 5, 5 to the 10. Now we are getting breadth is equal 2 centimeter. Okay, like this way you can do. Now, area of square. Area of square is equal. Area of square is equal. You can write side square also. Area of square is equal side square. Or somewhere you have to write area of square is equal side into side. Both are same. Side into side, well, two same thing. A into A is equal A square. That's why side into side also is equal side square. Okay? Suppose here side is given 5 meter. Then area of square, we know area of square is equal side square is equal. In place of side just put 5 meter is there, put meter. 5 square is equal 5 5 the 25. Then meter square will remain as meter square. This one will be your answer. Okay? But sometimes area will be given. You have to find the side. Then how will you find it? Suppose for the same I am doing. Area of square is suppose given 25 meter square. We have to find the side. Then area of square, we know area of square is equal side square is equal 25 meter square. Then here you can use two methods. First I am doing this method. Side is equal, when you remove this square, then here you have to put this side, with name of this side is square root. তেতিয়া এটো যদি আমি স্কয়ার রুট উঠাই দিও ইয়াত কি হ'ব স্কয়ার রুট এটা লাগি যাব এটো স্কয়ার রুটৰ ভিতৰ সোমাই যাব এই স্কয়ার রুটৰ কামটো হ'ল কি এই সেন্টাৰৰ ভিতৰত জি নাম্বাৰে নুকুমাও এই সেন্টাৰৰ ভিতৰত জি এটা নাম্বাৰ নুকুমাও তাক যদি আমি স্কয়ার বুলি লিখিব পাৰো সেই স্কয়াৰটোৱে এই রুটডাল কাটি কি ওলাই আহিব আৰু যদি তাক স্কয়াৰ বুলি লিখিব নোৱাৰো কি তাৰ ভিতৰতে সোমাই থাকিব that's it side is equal 25 can be written as 5 square is equal 25. Then meter there is square is there. Then in place of this one you can write side is equal 5 with square. Then it will come out. Then meter is also having square. Then meter is also come out. Now we are getting side of square is 5 meter. Okay? Kiman kumamar kulu?
12 minute, 13 minute.
13 minute. Okay, now go to exercise. This one is the book of class 7. Exercise 14a. Length is given. Breadth is not given. See here. Length is given. Breadth is not given. And area is given. And perimeter also you have to find. Then what is given? Area is given. Area of rectangle. Moi eta koi rokai disu. Our question the answer to etu hoise niki olo belag. Area of rectangle is given 15 meter square. Area of rectangle is 15 meter square. We know area of rectangle is equal length into breadth. Length into breadth is equal 15 meter square. In place of length there is 5 meter. Just I am putting in place of length there is 5 meter. Just I put 5 meter. Then 15 meter square. Breadth is equal 15 meter square divided by 5 meter. This meter and square will cut 5 1 is 5, 5 3 is 15. Breadth is equal. Now we are getting 3 meter. Now we are getting breadth also. Breadth is equal 3 meter. Then after you have to find perimeter. Perimeter, again we know perimeter of rectangle, then you have to write like this way. Perimeter of rectangle is equal 2 whole into L plus B. Then in place of 2 write 2. In place of L we are getting, this is given 5 meter plus in place of breadth we are getting 3 meter then is equal 2 into 5 plus 3 is equal 8 meter is equal to a 16 meter. Okay, like this way you have to do. Okay, these are the basics. Then tomorrow you have offline class. On that time I will explain rest thing. Okay, but you have to by heart this perimeter of square, perimeter of rectangle, perimeter of equilateral triangle, area of square and area of rectangle. Okay, then thank you for today.